My name's Rocky Browne at Transwest Truck, Trailer, and RV in Belton, Missouri. And we just got this Logan sports hauler in. Kind of hard to find trailer. It's the kind of trailer that they would pull with one of our haulers. So I want to show it to you, see if you got any interest in it. It's a 2022 Logan sports hauler. So let's take a look at it. So as you can see, this is the entrance to the garage, to the sports hauler. It's a really clean trailer. It's got the alloy wheels. I got a spare tire to match it too. It's got the tread plate that goes down the side, kind of more of a rugged terrain if you have like a ATV, a side-by-side, even a small Jeep or something like that would fit in it. This is your living quarters. We'll show you that in a minute, but I'm going to show you there's an access door to it right here. So the living quarters is 18 foot. The garage is 13 foot. And it's got a 10-foot awning on the side over here that folds down. Then you got some storage right here. This is where your spare tire and your propane tanks go. Real clean setup. This is your slide right here. Everything works on this. It's been winterized also. It's been through our service department, so they've already checked everything out on it. Logan is one of the premier horse trailer manufacturers, so you know they put it into a toy hauler, which is pretty cool. This is your ramp right here to hoy to put any kind of a toy that you have up in here. You drive it right up. Your access, your ingress, egress door. And you got your tie downs at the bottom. You got a lot of nice storage. It looks like it's all aluminum. You've got USB ports up here on the top. This is for like your tie down straps, coats, jackets, whatever you want to do. It's a nice setup. It's got a little workstation here. So this is your entry door to the living quarters. And you got your bathroom right here. It's got a shower over here to the right. It's got a nice vinyl floor in it. This is another entry door. It's got the sliding screen. That's nice to have on a nice spring day. It's got a little flip-up table right here. Propane stove. It's got your microwave. It's really clean. Doesn't even look like it's been used hardly at all. Refrigerator. And you got your freezer up here on top. It's your bedroom area. It's got TV over here. We do have some TV hookups here in the front room if you want to reposition the TV. Stereo over here. This couch does fold down into like a full-size bed. And this table actually pulls up and stores in that closet right there. Got some nice storage up above right here. These are made out of wood too, it looks like. A lot of times you'll see some of these units have just kind of a fiberboard. But I tell you, it's a nice setup. If you're interested in this toy hauler, my name is Rocky Browne at Transwest Truck, Trailer, and RV in Belton, Missouri. And my phone number is 816-400-9179. And my email address is rocky.brown@transwest.com. Hey, appreciate you watching this video. And if you got any questions, please call me. And subscribe to our YouTube channel too. We've got a lot of cool videos on there, and it's kind of fun to watch them. Thank you very much. Have a good day.